Hi guys, welcome to this course on ASMR. In this course, you will learn how to produce these different sounds that are called ASMR. ASMR stands for Auto Sensory Meridian Response. Meridian Response, that's right. And it's just a bunch of different sounds that create tingles in people's heads and bodies and relax them. So some people like noises like this, the little bit of echo. Some people like noises like water. Some people don't like echo at all and they just want the tapping. So this is what you're going to learn, how to set up business basically and get started on this journey. So it's a course designed for people who don't know anything about this stuff, don't know anything about music, don't know anything about how to set up all the equipment, what is needed, and all that stuff. And the reason why I decided to do this course is because as a healer and a coach, I use this stuff with my clients and I find it very relaxing and helpful. And there was no course out there to teach. So when I went and learned about this, I had to do a lot of research on my own, trial and error. And while I found someone else who was teaching at some point how to produce videos, nobody was teaching how to do it live. So I will just cover how to get started, what you may need for different budgets, and I'll also share the different people who do it that I like to follow, and also videos from this other person who did some research and has a lot to say about what kind of mics you may be interested in, because it's good to have different point of views. I hope you enjoy it, and this is how I will be dressed and how I will speak. So if you don't like what you see right now, most likely you won't like the rest of the course. However, know that you have a month to return the course without having to give bad reviews on it. So maybe other students can find it and enjoy it. So thank you so much and have a wonderful day, and bye for now.